10 expert tips for bringing your dying succulent back to life. Succulents are a popular type of plant due to their unique appearance, easy maintenance, and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. However, even with their resilience, succulents can still experience issues such as drying out or dying. If you notice your succulent is looking a bit lackluster, it may be time to take action and revive it. Identify the problem. Before you can revive your succulent, you need to identify the problem. Is the plant overwatered, underwatered, or infested with pests? Once you've determined what's wrong, you can take the necessary steps to correct it. Stop watering. Overwatering is one of the most common problems with succulents. If you suspect that your succulent is overwatered, stop watering it immediately. Succulents can survive for long periods without water, and stopping watering can help prevent root rot. Check for root rot. If your succulent is overwatered, it may develop root rot. Gently remove the plant from its pot and examine the roots for root rot. Healthy roots are white and firm, while rotted roots are brown, mushy, and may have a foul smell. Cut away rotted roots. If your succulent has root rot, you'll need to cut away the rotted roots using a clean, sharp knife or scissors. Be sure to remove all the rotted tissue and let the plant dry for a day or two before replanting it. Change soil. Once you've removed the rotted roots, you'll need to repot the succulent in fresh soil. Use a well-draining soil mix specifically designed for succulents, and avoid using regular potting soil, which can retain too much moisture. Provide adequate sunlight. Succulents need plenty of sunlight to thrive. If your succulent is not getting enough sunlight, move it to a sunnier location or consider using a grow light to supplement natural light. Fertilize sparingly. Succulents don't need much fertilizer, and over-fertilization can cause damage. Use a fertilizer specifically designed for succulents and only apply it sparingly, once or twice a year. Be patient. Reviving a dying succulent takes time and patience. It may take several weeks or even months for the plant to fully recover, so don't give up hope if you don't see immediate improvement. Remove dead leaves. As your succulent recovers, it may shed dead leaves. These dead leaves can attract pests and disease, so it's important to remove them promptly. Use a pair of clean scissors to snip off any dead leaves and discard them in the trash. Monitor carefully. Once your succulent has recovered, it's important to monitor it carefully to prevent future problems. Avoid overwatering, provide adequate sunlight, and watch for any signs of pests or disease. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.